Computer vision syndrome is also known as digital eye strain. It occurs due to constant focusing of the eyes on a computer or other screens for long periods of time. This results in the inability of eye muscles to recover from the strain. It also results in chronic dry eye. Computer screens are made up of pixels or tiny dots, which are hard for eyes to focus. The computer user must therefore focus again and again to keep the images sharp. This results in stress of the eye muscles. Dry eyes occur due to lower blinking rate of users. Screens we come across in our day-to-day life are laptop, television, smartphone, tablets. The most common symptoms of computer vision syndrome are eye strain, slow change in focus, headache, irritation in eyes, pain in neck, back, and shoulder. It is not good to ignore the dry eye symptoms as they can result in sight-threatening complications like eye infections, damage to the surface of your eyes, and decreased quality of life. Tips to avoid computer eye strain. Computer users should have a comprehensive eye exam once in every year. Eliminate the exterior light with drapes, shades and blinds to reduce eye strain, which is caused by excessively bright light. Position your computer monitor so that windows are to the side, instead of in front or behind it. Minimize the glare. By installing an anti-glare screen on your monitor, and by using anti-reflective coating for glasses, one can reduce the eye strain caused by reflections from the computer screen. Upgrade your display. LCD screens are better than old tube-style monitors. Choose screen with highest resolution as possible. Choose a relatively larger display. Select a display that has a diagonal screen size of at least 19 inches. Adjust your computer display settings. Keep the brightness same as your surroundings. Blink more often. The normal blinking rate of our eyes is 14 to 16 times per minute. During computer use, it can be reduced to as low as 4 to 6 times per minute. Blinking is very important, as it moistens your eyes, which prevents dryness and irritation. Every 20 minutes, blink 10 times by closing your eyes very slowly. This will help re-wet your eyes. Exercise your eyes. Constant focus on screens results in straining and tiring of eyes. Look away from your computer for at least every 20 minutes, and gaze at a distant object at least 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This is known as 20-20-20 rule. Do not forget to blink during the exercise. Take frequent breaks. A 15-minute break is suggested every 2 hours. It is observed that by doing so, work output is indeed maintained or increased. During your computer breaks, stand up, move about and stretch your arms, legs, back, neck, and shoulders to reduce tension and muscle fatigue. Modify your workstation. Adjust your workstation and chair to the correct height. Position your computer screen about 20 to 24 inches away from your eyes. The center of your screen should be about 10 to 15 degrees below your eyes, for comfortable positioning of your head and neck. Tips to stimulate day production. Drink plenty of water. Include sources of fatty acids in diet, like flaxseed, fish oil, almonds. Eat fruits and vegetables rich in vitamin A and D and avoid eating too much of meat, fats and carbohydrates. Contact a medical professional if red or painful eyes, stiffness in the joints, or dry eyes do not respond to self-care measures within few days. To sum up, when enough quantity of tears are not produced by the eyes, there is occurrence of dry eye. Due to this, the lubrication and nourishment to the eyes are insufficient. Computer vision syndrome is one of the major reasons for dry eye. To avoid dry eye, efforts should be made to use tips which stimulate day production. In case of severe problem, contact a medical professional.